Tonight, an innovative program helping detect serious eye disorders in young children.
High-tech equipment developed by NASA is being used in Chatham County schools to screen students for eye problems. And health reporter Veronica Getz is here with more about this very exciting program.
NASA, this is exciting.
It really is. This is state-of-the-art equipment that is actually very, very precise. And from the patient's point of view, it's very simple. And when your patient is a child, simplicity really is key. Now, the program is called Eye Check, and it's being used in schools for the first time in Georgia, right here in Chatham County. These kindergarten students at Islands Elementary School are among the first students in the state of Georgia to undergo a new eye screening program called Eye Check. With this high-tech system developed by NASA, Eye Check can screen for a wide range of ocular problems in young children in a matter of minutes.
Up until this technology, every form of testing a child's eyes involved a response. Do you see a butterfly? Do you see a rabbit? And so on. With this, there's no response required at all. The technology is effective even on 6-month-old infants. It's also very quick. We can do an entire classroom of 20 or 25 children in about 15 minutes.
Here's how it works. Children are asked to sit in a room with the lights turned down for about a minute. This opens up the pupil in the eye. Then, one by one, children are placed at the end of the machine, where they open their eyes widely and look at the lens at the other end. In just a few seconds, the machine snaps a picture of the eye.
The process itself is called photorefraction, and it works on the principle that if the eye is out of round, or if there's a lens problem or an opacity, the light rays going through the eye will be bent and show up on the photograph in ways that can be analyzed, and the problem can be determined from that.
This is a picture of a child with perfect vision. Notice the two small dots in the center of the eye and the large red pupils. Compare that with a child who is nearsighted. See how the pupils become lighter and crescent-shaped at the bottom? A child who is farsighted has lighter crescent shapes on the upper part of the pupils. The screenings also detect problems like astigmatisms and alignment disorders, such as hypertropia. Statistics show that of the 10,000 students screened in Chatham County schools, as many as 1,000 will be identified as having some kind of eye disorder. There are a number of eye problems that children 6 years and under can develop, and that can cause some serious problems in the classroom. But the majority of them can be treated if they're detected early.
Health reporter Veronica Getz is here to tell us why parents are singing the praises of this program called Eye Check. You know, I remember you talking about this about a month ago, and I got a chance since then to see it in action in one of the schools.
It's a great program. It really is. You know, Eye Check was actually introduced into the entire Chatham County school system a couple of months ago, and the screenings have really proven successful, and many area parents are crediting the program for saving their children's eyesight.
6-year-old Chad Trufton is one of the success stories of the Eye Check program. After undergoing the screening at his school back in December, Chad's mother was alerted to the fact he needed glasses. When she took her son to the eye doctor for a full exam, it was confirmed he was farsighted. But doctors also discovered another, more serious disorder.
She detected the same things that the screening had detected, but she also detected that his left eye was amblyopic, which is the lazy eye. And the brain doesn't tell those muscles in that eye to work, so he really just uses his right eye.
Amblyopia, or lazy eye, affects about 2% of the population. The disorder can easily go undetected, especially in young children.
As in Chad's case, the amblyopia, since he wasn't seeing well out of one of his eyes, he was not using both eyes together. His binocular vision was gone. So, of course, that's going to cause some problems with depth perception, school performance, and vision in general.
If not detected and treated early, amblyopia is irreversible, leaving the patient with only one good eye. Dr. Beisel credits the Eye Check screening for getting young children like Chad into the doctor's office. The Eye Check screening program developed by Vision Research uses a high-tech system developed by NASA to snap a picture of the child's eye. Experts then analyze that picture, identifying certain disorders. Since November, more than 6,000 area students have been screened. Problems have been detected in more than 700. Chad must now wear a patch over his stronger eye for several hours a day. This trains the muscles in his lazy eye to start working. His mother has already seen an improvement.
His schoolwork has just improved immensely. He got, as a matter of fact, 2 E's this time on his report card, which was in reading and in math, and his reading just is excellent.
Chad may be too young to realize the benefit, but his mother will always be grateful for the free eye screenings at her son's school.